Yeah, this morning, Thursday the 18th of March, still at Eden, still doing the hiking thing, and yeah, just starting off now. We'll keep you up to date. Yeah, it's an absolutely beautiful day. The weather, or the rain that I expected, did eventually come around about 5 o'clock last night. Wasn't storm-like weather, but it was nice. And this morning the air is fresh and crisp, and the road is wet, and the field is showing their abundance. And yeah, let's hope we see a couple of nice sightings while I'm out on my second walk for the week. Yeah, like I said, I haven't been walking for a while, so it is nice to be able to do that. So yeah, let's continue and see what's happening and what's in store for us from this hike. Yeah, I'm doing a different route today than yesterday. Yeah, so it is it's something that I've done before. I've walked this road plenty of times when visiting here at Eden. So it's not the fact that I wouldn't know the route. I do know the route, but it's been a while, and things do change, and yeah, it's always nice to see new things and new ways of things happening and stuff like that. So yeah, I will definitely keep an eye out on the animals that should be in the vicinity, and hopefully we'll get a couple of good sightings. Yeah, I'm 4 kilometers into the hike, and finally some nice springbok that I found. So it's been very scarce or sparse with regard to animal viewings, but still very pleasant. Yeah, so that was the hike yesterday. I did not end off the video due to some circumstances, but yeah, that was the hike yesterday. Did at the end managed to get some good sightings. Enjoyed it as well. Just one question that I got regarding the previous day's video is what was I carrying, because as you can remember, I had my sling over my shoulder. That was my haversack. A haversack is just like a normal bag with a sling that you just throw over your head to carry your stuff. I would normally use this for carrying some minor or very basic stuff with me, as well as to use it to gather resources. So the question was also what was inside. On the inside my bag on the hike, I just used it for carrying some water, 500 ml water, and a little bit of cool drink, and then some clinging peaches for some sustenance. Yeah, so that was the contents of the bag that I was carrying. Yeah, with that, coming to the end of the second video on my second walk for the month of March. Yeah, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and let's do this. Keep on prepping.